first year students. Welcome to First Year Advising. I'm Heidi Van Beek, the coordinator of the First Year Advising program, and you are receiving this MySAC State invitation and this video link because you are part of First Year Advising. Throughout this video, I'm going to use the phrase FYA, which stands for First Year Advising, so I don't have to keep saying that phrase over and over again. There are more than 3,800 first-year students at the university this year, and not all of you are part of the same advising program. You are part of FYA because you're getting this video. If one of your friends didn't receive this message, it means she or he is in a different advising program, so don't worry that you got it and that person didn't. First-year advising is designed with you in mind, because we know first-year students have a lot of transitions and a whole lot of questions during the first year of college. So we look forward to seeing you in the office real soon. So I'm going to take you through the rest of this video, show you how to make your appointment and how to prepare for your advising session. So you'll come into Lassen Hall and you'll go to Lassen room 1013. It's on the first floor, you can't miss it. And we'll show you the front desk in a little bit. And when an advisor comes to get you, you'll end up in one of our first year advising stations. So, to prepare for your first year advising session, we want you to access your first year advising materials. They are online, of course. You can go to the Sac State homepage, because that's the easiest one to remember, I think, for you students. And if you click right here on Current Student, you're going to find Academic Advising. So make sure you click Current Student and then come over for Academic Advising. There, you'll see the First Year Advising area. Click on it. And right now, you're at Phase 2. This summer you did orientation, and now it's time for fall advising. So click on Phase 2, and then click on the first year syllabus. The syllabus is 2 pages, and we would love for you to print it. You need to print it because we ask you to do a few things on the worksheet. First, we ask you to read the learning outcomes and circle the bullet point that you would like to discuss. All of them are great discussion items. This will give us an idea of what is most important to you. Next, we have the expectations of students. And here we want you to circle at least one bullet point about something you want to improve upon or know more about. And it's okay to circle more than one if you have more than one. Next is the expectation of advisors. This is about us and how we're going to treat you. So if you have any questions about these expectations, then go ahead and circle those and talk to your advisor about them. Next, we're going to have you list 3 or more strengths and goals. Under the strengths, we have both personal and academic. And under goals, we have long-term and short-term. But remember, this is a first-year goal. You can even make it your fall semester goal. What do you want to do by the end of the fall semester, and what are your action steps to achieve that goal? At the bottom of the page, we have an overview of your units. Now let's go to the second side. On the second side is your general education and graduation requirements. It's very important that you follow these instructions going to your student center to get this information. Here's a printout of what a student center looks like. You probably recognize that page. I know you've all seen it before. It has your classes in the middle, and then it has this drop-down menu. We're going to have you start here with the academic requirements. On the academic requirements page, at the top you're going to see these indicators, the red, the yellow, the green, or the circles, the diamonds, and the squares, and that is key information. We want you to record the things that you're enrolled in this semester. So, if we look back at the worksheet, you can see that it starts with the graduation requirements. It begins with American institutions. So let's take a look at how that looks on the computer screen. Here are the indicators. You go down and you're going to see the graduation requirements. So as you scroll, the first thing that comes up is the American institutions, and there we see this student is taking History 17A to cover this requirement. On your worksheet, we want you to put a diamond in this row because we know you're taking your history class if that was you. Let's take a look at one more. We're going to look here for the composition, college composition. So we just scroll down a little ways on the page, and there it is, English composition. This student for Composition 1, Written Communication, is taking English 5. So if this was you on College Composition 1, you would put a diamond there because you're in English 5 or 5M. You'll continue to look through the graduation requirements on the screen and continue to fill things out. Let's jump down and look at a couple things in the GE area. For GE, we find the title, CSU General Education. And it starts with Area A, A1, A2, and here you'll see, if this is you, you'll find A2, English 5 one more time. So again, on your worksheet, written communication, write in English 5 and put a diamond. And just continue throughout the page. You'll see the science classes, math, arts and humanities, social sciences, personal development. So you'll just cruise through that page, match up the indicators, and the next thing and last thing we want you to do is come in with a list of courses that you would like to take for next semester. This is really important because this tells us what's important to you. So that's your advising syllabus. Please have that prepared before you come in. Now I'll show you how to make your appointment. So in the MySac State message, I gave you the link to the appointment calendar. Once you get logged in, because you'll have to put in your MySac State, your SacLink ID, you'll come to this screen and you'll see First Year Advising. So we want you to click on First Year Advising. Please, please open this program in either Firefox, Explorer, or Chrome. It does not work in Safari, and it's old. I wish it was newer, but it's old and slow. So please have a lot of patience when you come to work on this program. When you find a day that you're going to do advising, let's pretend it's coming up in the near future, you're going to see that the calendar is available from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. We can have 3 appointments per half hour. So if there's a line that already has 3 boxes on the line, it means that appointment time is filled. If you want to advance the calendar and you want to do an appointment in October, you would just do the appointment calendar, advance it here. Notice that you have to schedule your appointment 1 day in advance, and if you miss your appointment, you have a 7-day penalty. So that's the calendar. If you have any problems with it or it becomes frustrating for you, don't hesitate to come to the front desk of Lesson 1013 and politely ask the front desk staff if they can help you with the First Year Advising calendar. So once you have your appointment scheduled online and it's the day you need to show up, you're showing up at Lassen Hall, room 1013. Make sure you arrive 10 minutes early. So this is the front desk. Make sure when you come in that you have your one card with you, because the front desk student staff are going to want to swipe your one card to sign you in for your appointment, because you have to sign in. So come on up and say, "Hi, I'm Heidi. I'm here for my 2 o'clock First Year Advising appointment," and provide them your one card. If you are late, they will not let you sign in. So make sure you are 10 minutes early. Most of all, come to your advising appointment with a positive attitude and you're going to have a lot of fun. We look forward to seeing you soon.